Hey there everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer from your spot wallet to your funding wallet or vice versa on Binance. So open up Binance and wait for it to load and go to your wallet right here. When you do, you can see that you have different kinds of portfolio wallets: your spot, your funding, cross margin, isolated margin, etc, etc, etc. So as you can see, in my spot wallet I have $107 and in my funding I have 49. So your funding wallet, I'm not gonna go in what exactly that is and explain how to use it, because I'm guessing you already know if you have funds in it. But if you don't know, you've probably just received funds in it by someone sending you direct payments via email or whatever if you didn't give a deposit. So you want to get your funding funds in your spot wallet. How to do that? So if you click on spot or funding, you have a little transfer option right here. If you click on it, you can see you can transfer from funding into spot wallet and from spot wallet into funding. You can switch by just clicking this little arrows. So, and from here, you can select the currency you want to switch. I'll click on other. And here you can type out how much you want to switch. I'll max out. And I'll confirm. And there, transfer successful. Now, if we go back, we can see that the funds are transferred. We have $156.97, and in funding we have 0. And that's pretty much how to do it. Hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time.